Here's my truck. Look at all the mud. Damn it, Jim.
Is it videotaping?
Yeah, tape it.
Oh my god, is it working?
Yep, straight pipe.
Alright.
Straight header.
Oh god. Hey, there's a black man over there. Oh god. Oh god.
Get a shot of the pipe. Get a shot of the pipe. Come here.
Black man.
I'll videotape the big old mag rod. Don't tape that. Jigaboo. Look at my truck. It's sexy. Straight header, motherfucker. Oh, this truck gives me a boner. You know what else gives me a boner?
What?
That butt. Oh, I just taped your ass. This is definitely going on YouTube.